The Delhi-based headquarters of the Tablighi Jamaat in Nizamuddin could emerge as India's biggest COVID-19 hotspot. Despite numerous warnings and directions from the government to maintain social distancing, a large congregation was held earlier on 15th March, which has now led to at least 10 deaths, which includes a foreign national. Another 250 people who were staying in their Nizamuddin office and have shown COVID-19 symptoms have been taken to various hospitals in Delhi. The whole area has been sanitized by authorities.
ये जो जगह है, ये इंटरनेशनल सेंटर है तबलीग जमात का। यहाँ पर हजारों की तादाद में लोग रोज़ाना आते जाते हैं और हजारों किलोमीटर से आते हैं। उनका कोई अपना घर नहीं होता। जो बाहर से लोग आते हैं आउट ऑफ इंडिया से, उनके लिए एक अलग जगह है और जो इंडियंस हैं यहाँ तक कि अलग-अलग स्टेट्स के लिए भी अलग-अलग जगह है।
Some of the participants, including senior preachers, had come from countries like Saudi Arabia, Malaysia and Indonesia, where COVID-19 had already spread. The bigger concern is that those who attended the meet could have inadvertently spread the virus across the country. In Tamil Nadu, 10 of the 17 people who tested positive for the virus on 30th March had attended the religious event. 980 people in the state are being traced. Of the 25 cases reported in Delhi on 30 March, 18 were those who attended the congregation. Similarly, a preacher who died in Srinagar after attending the meet had also visited Deoband. A massive contact tracing exercise is underway here too. Preachers who attended this meet used public transport like trains and buses in many parts of the country and shared space in mosques with hundreds of others. 6 of the 10 people dead are from Telangana, while Kerala and West Bengal also reported on cases which may be linked directly or indirectly to the congregation. The Tablighi Jamaat, an offshoot of the Deobandi movement, is an Islamic missionary movement that was founded in India in 1927 and currently has up to 25 crore members across many countries in South and Southeast Asia. Many in India are questioning the Tablighi for holding a meet involving such a large gathering when COVID-19 had already become a global pandemic. However, some Muslim leaders say FIR must be filed against those who flouted rules knowingly.
मोदी जी के हिंदुस्तान को लॉकडाउन करने का फैसला हिंदुस्तान की भलाई के लिए है, लेकिन कुछ कट्टरपंथी मुसलमान मोदी जी से दुश्मनी रखने की वजह से इस लॉकडाउन को विफल करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं और लॉकडाउन के नियमों का पालन नहीं कर रहे हैं। अगर खुदा न खास्ता ये महामारी मुस्लिम एरियो में फैलती है और उनमें किसी की मौतें होती हैं, तो उन मौतों के जिम्मेदार वो सब खुद होंगे और उनके परिवार के खिलाफ सरकार को चाहिए कि मुकदमे भी दर्ज कराएं।
Jamaat supporters counter by saying the main function was held a day before they came to know of the government order.
ऐसा है, जो लोग ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर हैं, जो यहाँ पर हैं, रह रहे हैं, एविक्यूएशन का तो एज सच हम अपनी तरफ से नहीं कर सकते ना। आज की डेट में जो 1500 लोग जा चुके हैं, उनके ऊपर भी सवाल ये उठाया जा रहा है, वो कहाँ हैं, कहाँ गए, उनको टेरेस करो।
It's not just in India. In Pakistan, at least 27 members of the Tablighi Jamaat out of 35 screened at the Tablighi Markaz in Raiwind tested positive for the coronavirus on 29th March. The group held a large meeting in Pakistan, ignoring suggestions from the Pakistani government to postpone it. This complete oversight on the part of the Jamaat has now put state administrations across the country under even more pressure as they scramble to find out the exact spread of the virus due to this congregation.
जो मुल्क का जो कानून है उसके बारे में अवेयर हैं हम लोग, लेकिन अपने एंड पे जो मैं कर सकता हूँ वो उतना ही तो करूँगा।
A Times Online report.